1, 2. Morning guys, it's December 3rd. I thought we were gonna decorate the tree today, but Ella came down dressed to go skiing. We've been talking about whether or not to go because it is raining. She still wants to go skiing. I think we should rock, paper, scissors. 1, 2, 3.
Bam, did it.
All right, so the van is going in for repairs next week finally. We need it for the following weekend because we have a trip planned. We reserved tickets for this event, but let's get some miles down and we'll think about whether we're gonna let the cat out of the bag yet or not. So this is our little town. I had a Christmas wine tour last night here. It's always a lot of fun. A lot of people come and hang out for the night. So since it's raining in Connecticut and none of our ski areas are open yet, nothing within like afternoon striking distance, we're gonna head up to Stratton. If you haven't been there, this will be day 2 for you on skis. There's a chance we're gonna be skiing in drizzle. There's a chance there's gonna be a couple inches of snow. You wanna take bets?
I bet it's just gonna be like rumor, but
Slushy rumor.
$1.
I'm going for 1 inch of snow before noon. So we're into Vermont. We have about an hour left on our trip. It's still raining, but it's not raining there. I'm gonna win that dollar. We're gonna have an inch of snow. All right, we're here.
Yay!
Like we can tell. Got a really far walk. And we're here.
Hope it turns to snow too. Hope so. Morning.
Morning. Alright, spare you guys. We're heading straight for the gondola. Or gondola, however you want to pronounce it. Good news, it's snowing up here. Not bad for a rainy day up here. It feels like spring snow. A little slushy. I say the snow's not bad up here.
Like happened so fast that it didn't even sound like someone could say it.
That's fun.
I heard the wind, guys.
That was close to your heels. Looks like a bit more fun. Prayer? Did I get you?
Yeah. feel like
I see it trailing all too fast, but I'm not leaving. Angels around, 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 and you cannot see. I'll be right behind you, walking the tree. You look so beautiful today, and now the game is changing.
We went with beef chili today. Ella went with
Beef chili.
beef chili. Fun today?
Oh yeah. I'm having a blast.
So we got 3 top to bottom runs in so far. It is snowing, so I'm going with I win the bet.
But there isn't an inch on the ground.
There isn't an inch on the ground. So we got 3 top to bottom runs in so far. It is snowing, so I'm going with I win the bet.
But there isn't an inch on the ground.
There isn't an inch on the ground. She might have me on technicalities, but happy we made the trip up. I am surprised that it is snowing. It's a wet snow. It's heavy, but it's soft and
Fun.
it's fun. How's your chili?
I get these little tiny bits, really hot. Scorch my mouth every time. It's decent.
She's saying that her mouth is burned. She can no longer taste the chili, and it's good.
So
It was all right. But as most people in this world, she's really after the tiny oyster crackers. So we're hoping to get the van back, to touch back on that a bit. We reserved 2 spots for an event.
for Sunday River.
There is a Santa Claus ski event fundraiser that happens every year. And I thought, why not? We should go to it. So I have my Santa Claus outfit.
I have mine.
I put my picture up for you. But it's going to be a good time. Having a hard time picturing myself in a big Santa costume skiing down a hill. So
Me too.
I think you're ready to get one of those black diamonds down, the little bumps.
I don't know if I want to do bumps today.
Oh, she wants to do bumps. That's the only way you learn them.
Alright.
All right, guys, see you in a hill. This has little stashes of powder on it.
oh yeah.
I buried myself.
You have to keep it
To herself.
Of course I do.
Don't we all? All right, guys, we're packing it in. We had a great day. It turned out to be amazing.
Yeah.
We just had the best run of the day, ripping through a bunch of powder, about, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches. It was really good.
I'll give you $2.
I'm getting an upgrade, $2 now. We got a long ride home, so we're gonna pack it in so we can get home in time for dinner, Sunday dinner.
Yeah.
We'll see you next weekend in Santa Claus suits. All right. Later, guys. Bye. Pretty nice in here.